Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to open WhatsApp on Google Chrome and Windows 10. So how to open WhatsApp on Google Chrome and Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To open WhatsApp on Google Chrome, in the search menu here, please type WhatsApp Web and search. Well, there will be several WhatsApp websites. Tap WhatsApp Web. And here a barcode will appear to enter our WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your cell phone. Then go to the Settings menu. There are many options here. Tap Link Devices. Tap Link Devices again. Tap OK. Well, here it will enter the camera. Point the camera at the barcode that appears on the computer earlier. Well, here it will load, for the process of entering and opening our WhatsApp data. Well, here we can see we can use WhatsApp on the computer via Google Chrome. So that's it, tutorial how to open WhatsApp on Google Chrome and Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.